Welcome to Channel 1 Info, where you can find informations, news, distractions, and education. This is your channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Let's go. Nowadays, when you see a lot of people, they are talking, they are discussing, they always speaking about only one thing. 94% is talking about the war. The war between Israel and Palestine. This is a big deal. Before all, let's see what is Hamas. Hamas is the acronym for Harakat or Mukawama or Islamia, that means Islamic Resistance Movement. It is the largest and the most capable militant group in the Palestinian territories and one of the territory's two major political parties. This is a breaking news that has made China has made a significant move by deploying 6 Navy warships to the Middle East at a time when the region is witnessing the presence of both U.S. Israeli forces. Did you hear? Deployed 6 warships. You see, it's like the big boat and militaries. They are going to send missiles and things on Israel. And where are we in this? For us, I think, is the paz or the peace. In Spanish, they say the paz, la paz. The peace is the main key of the war. We don't need war. We need peace. Why? Because every war, a lot of people will die. Did you know that? So I want you to know this in the head. When they are doing this, not them that they are killing civilians. They are killing people who doesn't know anything in this. Innocent. They are innocent. They don't know anything, but they are killing. They are killing babies. They are killing women. They are killing a lot of people. They don't know anything. And what is the conclusion? Of course, they need peace. They need peace. But the conclusion is they are decreasing. They are decreasing the amount of the people in the world. What they are going to put after? Robot? What? We don't know yet. But they are killing. They are killing. Stop killing. Stop killing. Stop leaking blood. The blood is from God. We cannot make it in any laboratory. So I wish you, my fanatics, my channel follower, to keep on. And this is a new channel. A new channel. This channel, I want you to subscribe and to like, share this video for everyone can see. And when I come back, I will come in the breaking news, but take a cup of water before, because the thing is not easy. It's not easy for Israel. It's not easy for Palestine. It's not easy. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'm coming back soon. Your friend. I will be back.